Do you know, if you microwave grapes, it will blow up. So you may think there's only 3 states of matter:
Solid.
liquid, or gas. But actually there's another one. It's called plasma. Flame. Flame is a form of plasma.
Flame.
Flame.
You can actually create flame using some grapes, a microwave, and maybe a knife. So first, you take one piece of grape and put it in your mouth. Enjoy that one, and take another piece, cut it in half. But make sure there's a piece of skin still intact, like that. Then put it right in the middle of the microwave. And then, let the fireworks begin. Yeah. Okay guys, make sure you ask permission from your mother before you do this. So, what is actually happening? So when you cut the grape in half and leave a small piece of skin intact, it will act like a bridge. So the 2 pieces of grapes will absorb all the microwave energy emitted by the microwave oven. This energy then will travel between the 2 pieces through the bridge and heat it up and eventually dry it out. So once it's dry enough, the energy will create a spark and ignite the grape skin and create a mini firework. So, what happens if you put everything inside?
Okay, got you.